If you're on the hunt for your next gift idea for a little one in your life, or maybe you just want to grab something for your kids just for fun, check out this magnetic drawing board. This is so cute for ages 12 months and up. It's just a little table with that magnet drawing that we've all grown up with and used. Let's put this together and see how it looks. So the install for this could not be any easier. You just have the table and you have the 4 legs. And the way that the company made the legs is so that your kids can put it together. So even if it's not totally lined up, it's gonna be a stable table. It's easy to screw together and you can just tighten it until they're nice and straight. This comes with a handle for carrying, which is nice. This is the size of it. It's perfect for sitting on the floor with a little toddler. Here is the pen. It slips right into this hole here. It's a nice thick one that's going to be good for your kiddos to grab. It has a string, so we're not going to lose it. And one really cool thing about this is that each of the 4 quadrants on this table are a different color. So over here we have blue, down here we have gold, over here green, and up here red. So anything your kids draw on this will have this beautiful different colors. They don't have to do anything different to get it to do that. And then of course you just slide this across the bottom to wipe it away. So I think this is adorable. Let's see if my kids like it. So I had my 3-year-old and my 1-year-old both play with this and they both loved it. They had a very easy time using it. This comes in different colors and I think this is a great option if you're looking for that perfect gift for someone.